with you real quick.
Just break it up. Break it up and throw it.
I just hope they get it. They're like scavengers.
I'm scared.
Yo, look at how
Why
big-
you window down? Why your window down?
You better hurry and throw it. Just hurry and throw it. Hurry and throw it. Hurry and throw it. Oh no. It's so many.
We don't want the pack anymore.
It's so many.
Oh
my gosh.
That's why they need these, because these been sitting in the house.
Look how big that one is. Look how big this one is. You better hurry and throw it. And
Oh, they sound like they about to get. I can see. Come on, stop screaming, Kamani. They're flying right over us.
it's getting on us.
Look. Oh my gosh. Look, it's a blackbird.
Oh, it is a.
Oh my gosh. OMG, they're about to get the hospital over here.
Oh, they make.
the
Oh.
Siani is breaking the bread on us. They don't want it broke up. They want the whole thing.
They gonna fight over it.
Oh. Why would you
Siani,
why would
they made him drop.
Siani keeps spilling the bird.
She literally all over mine. Oh my God! Look at this one. Mom, I know you lying. You better open and close the door.
I'm trying to get her.
Look, they can't even drive past.
They try to shoot the birds away. I gave him another one.
Yes. Ooh.
Oh, wait.
Oh, she did
Just
wrong.
like that. Just like that.
No, break it up. Break it up.
No, break it, break it.
No, give the whole thing.
Oh, it was by his head. Boy, you're not scared of shit. Hey, Puka. Alright, wait. I'm just trying to feed the homeless.
I said,
Why would you say that? These birds is.
Okay.
Hey, boy, you being nice to people? All right now.
oh no, they get close. Oh shit, they get close. Get away. I mean, close the window.
Wait. I just want to get a picture of.
Mom, what do you want to get a picture
I
of?
want to get.
There's 3 more rice cakes.
Wait. Don't do the whole one.
And she wonder why her car dirty.
We got the vacuum. She bet.
Oh my God, y'all.
Oh, look at him.
This one is humongous.
Wait, she's gonna take it out your hand.
Mom, look how big this bird is right here. Mom,
What? Which one?
this one right here. Look
Wait,
how big
I'm
it
about-
is.
Wait, Siani, just hold your hand there. Just keep your hand.
Oh no.
They too stupid.
They gonna get the crunching on her hand.
Why would you say crunching on her hand?
Damn, look at that one yelling.
Yes, that's
Oh, that's the mother.
Who are you, the
That's
father?
Oh, that's the. No,
No, they crucial.
that's the mother.
Ma, how you know that?
Cause she the only one. She yell at everybody. She got everybody in line. Wait, watch when she throw this one out. Watch when she throw it out. Watch how she.
Ooh, that's a little too close to the car.
Oh dang!
Mom told y'all to leave.
That man like that's exactly what the fuck y'all.
He just said, but I have 1 more rice cake.
She said I got 1 more rice cake.
Yo, they really get the scrabbling. Oh no.
See the mother's gone. Oh my gosh. There she go. And she got
Yeah, no.
What you think they saying?
What do I think they saying?
Yeah.
They is cussing y'all out.